Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 40 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's start with the fastest way. With the usage of the secret code, we have to open the dialer and here enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see at the bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK. And now let me show you another way through the settings, which is a little bit longer. However, it is still useful, especially if the secret code won't work or you will forget about it. So let's open the settings and tap on my phone, which is at the top of the list. Let's enter it. And now we have to scroll down to find the version info. And as you can see, the serial number is on the second position on the list. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.